I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready? Turn the D7100 on and select A for Aperture Priority or M for full control. Once done, make sure your lens is mounted and that any aperture ring is set to its smallest aperture or unlocked. Now look to the main command dial near the shutter release. That dial changes the f-stop. You change the number to a lower f-stop for shallower depth of field or a higher number for greater depth. Keep steady hands and move solidly so the camera registers each click. Once you've set the dial, observe how the meter responds in the viewfinder. Lowering the f-stop makes the meter require faster shutter or higher ISO to expose correctly. Make adjustments intentionally. If in aperture priority the camera picks a slow shutter, either raise ISO or open aperture further, and if in manual, adjust shutter or ISO to compensate. Also use live view to preview depth of field and confirm focus, because visual feedback lets you refine aperture choices before taking the shot. Finish by taking a test image and reviewing the histogram and image preview to confirm exposure and depth of field. Once satisfied, lock settings with AEL/AFL if you need consistency across shots, and note your aperture, shutter, and ISO for repeatability. If the f-stop doesn't change, make sure the lens aperture ring isn't set to a locked position or that you're not in a mode that restricts adjustments. Sometimes older lenses require the camera's aperture lever to be free. Check the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.